It's the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for Friday, the 23rd of February. I'm Michael Groff. A slight chance at some light rain around here today. We'll see a better chance of rain coming in here next week. And below average temperatures, how long will they last? Let's talk about it all as we get out there and discuss this morning. 63 degrees the high in the valley yesterday after a morning low of 41, and that's well below normal for this time of year. And outside right now here at 7:15 a.m., another gorgeous sunrise toward the Superstition Mountains. We start this day out at 41 degrees at Sky Harbor, dew points at 28. Humidity 61%, the winds are light, and the barometer is steady. Temperatures around south central Arizona this morning ranging from around freezing in the cold spots to the low 40s here in the urban core. It's 41 degrees in Arcadia where I do these videos from. The water vapor satellite view, you know the story by now. A big cold trough in the west, a huge summer-like heat ridge off the southeast coast, and this pattern is going to start to relax as we go through the next 5 to 7 days. The watch warning map, winter weather advisories scattered throughout the west, some wind advisories across northern Arizona, and we've got a big mess in the nation's heartland where the air masses are colliding. Dense fog advisories for places like Oklahoma City, winter weather advisories from western Kansas all the way up through the northern plains. Flood and flash flood watches and warnings extend from East Texas and Arkansas northeast into western Pennsylvania, and some high wind warnings up in the northeast. And on the convective outlook, a marginal severe weather risk today, parts of North Texas and southern Oklahoma. Tomorrow, this is the day 2 outlook, an enhanced risk of severe storms from around the Arklatex up toward Memphis, with the standard slight risk extending from around Dallas over toward Paducah and Bowling Green, Kentucky. And precipitation around here for the next 7 days coming from the WPC. This is valid through next Friday morning. A little under 1/10 of an inch probably for us here in Phoenix. Heavier totals in northern Arizona as well as across parts of southern California. And we'll get into the details of that right now as we check it all out on the models. We'll start with the GFS, the 06Z run, valid at 5 o'clock this afternoon. The upper look at 500 millibars. There's a short wave moving through the southern end of this broad trough here across the west. And down at the surface today, we'll see an increase in moisture with that southwesterly flow and a slight chance of showers today. They'll be very isolated, very widely spaced in our part of the state. Better chances of rain and some snow across northern Arizona. This is the high-resolution NAM, the 3-kilometer NAM this afternoon at 5 o'clock. It's showing some isolated showers here across south central Arizona. So could you run into some rain today? Yes, but I'd say the chance is very small, about a 10% chance. Otherwise, the day is partly sunny. And we'll have highs this afternoon in the upper 50s and low 60s. We keep it below normal. Tonight, the clouds and the showers start to move on out of here. We'll call it mostly clear with lows in the 30s to low 40s. Tomorrow, partly cloudy skies. Highs again will struggle to make the 60-degree mark. I'd say upper 50s to around 60. Sunday, we should be in the low 60s with partly sunny skies. Monday, we could get close to 70. Highs 67 to 70 with partly sunny skies. Tuesday, we've got another short wave that moves through the southern periphery of this trough. This one taking a bit more of a southerly trajectory, and as a result, a little bit more Pacific moisture advection, better dynamics. So we'll have a decent chance of rain and mountain snow statewide with this. High temperatures on Tuesday, I would say most of the day is dry, so we should get into the low 60s, maybe mid 60s with partly sunny skies, and then that chance of rain comes in the afternoon. Better chances Tuesday night into early Wednesday. For now, we'll put it at a 40% chance, and this forecast will be fine-tuned as we go. Then Wednesday, morning rain, and then we'll clear it out in the afternoon with high temperatures, low and mid-60s. Thursday, we should be in the mid and upper 60s with partly cloudy skies. And then forecast confidence starts to go down quite a bit as we go out to a week from today. This is Friday, the 2nd of March. The GFS showing heights coming up and high temperatures back toward average, mainly in the low 70s. Saturday, the 3rd of March, still looks pretty nice with highs in the low and mid-70s and mostly sunny skies. And then the end of the forecast period, Sunday, the 4th of March, the GFS says mainly zonal flow or a flat ridge building in and high temperatures likely in the mid-70s. But hold on a second, because the European has a completely different solution out here towards Sunday, the 4th. It's got a cold upper trough here across the southwest and a widespread rain and mountain snow event for the state once again, and high temperatures would be likely well below average, maybe upper 50s and low 60s for us here in the valleys. So the bottom line is there is very little confidence and very little consistency among the models, and the ensembles are no help either. They're kind of chaotic out here towards 7 to 10 days. All right, let's check the temperatures coming off of the GFS ensemble through the period. High temperatures stay below average all the way out into the first week of March, and then we really start to warm it back up if this is right. But we'll have to see how that system plays out in the first weekend of next month. All right, that's going to wrap it up for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. If you like our videos, hey, be sure to subscribe so that whenever we post a brand new one, you'll get the notification. And you can always click like on our videos as well. That would really help us out. Leave your comments and questions. We always appreciate those and try to respond to all of them, either here on the videos or in the comments section. Otherwise, you guys have yourselves a great day and a safe weekend.